Hey guys, come check out our Hudson open floor plan today here at Copper Ridge. This is actually our second model home, so you can definitely stop by and tour this one. This home is 2,126 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with a 2-car garage. This home is base price starting at $375,000, which is amazing because we do have some $5,000 lot premiums. So you'd be able to build this home with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms for just $380,000. We also have the ability to make this floor plan into a 4th bedroom as well if you have some wiggle room in your budget. Over here you'll see the 2 bedrooms and the game room here. Over here is our master bedroom, which is really nice and open as well. And if you're interested in the Hudson Contemporary, you'd actually get a sitting room off the master. If you have somebody looking for a $380,000 budget in single family homes in Clayton, send them my way because I'd love to share with them the Hudson options they have here at True Homes.